So we're gonna go to Boracay and then we're gonna meet our friend EJ.
Definitely the airport boyfriend now. Ayan, naayos po ni Gab yung apartment ni EJ. Thank you EJ for the lunch. Nakatipid kami guys kasi nag-lunch na kami dito using EJ's packed meals. Nagpa-prank pa tong isang to at hindi pa umaalis. Check-in time na namin guys. 3 PM na. So, ayan guys, we are on our way sa aming hotel, which is Belmont Hotel. Ito na siya guys, ang ating quarter. Guys, we decided na mag-hop on hop off na lang. This is the card. For 3 days, it's 450. So, masulit na to compared na mag-tricycle ka everyday. So, andito na kami sa Belmont.
Located siya outside in front of the lobby, and you book that suite breakfast. So your breakfast for tomorrow that will be served at the Belmont Cafe across the lobby starts 6 AM until 10 AM lang.
To Dimo. We're gonna have dinner sa Aqua Fresh. Yeah. Ano yan? Kulot mayaman. Anong tawag doon? Gusot mayaman. Ayan guys, yung hop on, hop off. Yan guys, ito siya. Tara. So guys, we are on our way to Aquafresh. So, nilalakad lang namin ito, guys.
Super night mode. So, hindi niya po alam kung saan papunta. Basta lang siyang naglalakad. Bakit? Nandito ata yung Bini. Ang daming tao, baka nandito yung Bini.
Fire dance kasi.
Fire dance lang pala. Kala ko nandito si
Second
Bini.
floor yun. Oh my gosh, there's Yao Yao. What the fuck?
Oh no! There's Aquafresh ba? Aquafresh.
Order mo lang kung anong gusto mo, ikaw magbabayad.
Ilang peso pag ito? Marami. Tapos ito, 3 piraso lang.
What?
Yo! So, ito na yung order natin guys. Meron tayong kinilaw na tanige na punong-puno ng sili. Napakasarap niyan guys. Tapos meron tayong cheesy baked oyster. Tapos meron tayong calamares. Medyo boring yung calamares nila. So, yan. Kakain na guys. So ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain. Kaya nasabi niya na budget friendly daw yun. Wow, 5 good.
Thank you, sir.
Tapos banat pa ng
Yao Yao.
no. Nah bro.
Yaw-yaw pa rin ang Boracay.
Walang kwentang yaw-yaw.
Sarap nito guys. Grabe. Grabe.
So guys, namin sa kanto. Dito namin sa streets. Tapat ng Station X. Ito yung shuttle namin. Boss, wait lang boss. Boss, wag mo ako iwan doon. Let's go. Sa Belmont. ayos na ayos pa. So, dito na kami sa 7-Eleven. 7-Ibilin. So, nakita ko to guys. Mountain Dew Hard. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok lagi. Yung nakahanap na ako. Nasa patingin. Yun o. Anong flavor yun?
Beach Blast and then Origin.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung all-time favorite natin, Lemon Dong.
Parang sponsor.
Malay mo, sumikat tayo. Gusto ko Wilkins, but there's no Wilkins right now. There's only Summit and Absolute. Or Evian. We can do Evian. Oh! So this is our hotel. Parang siyang BGC guys. But
Walang tao.
yeah.
Parang may project pa na ginagawa. Hotel mo ba ito, guys?
Alin ito? Yeah. That's actually my share. Because, you know, hindi pa nare-release kasi yung 13th month pay ko kaya it's not yet done.
So this is the back exit of our hotel. You need to swipe your credit card. And then we're already here na, which is second floor. So ayun yung basement. I know. That's actually the ground. Di ba naalala ko may ganyan kami?
We're back at 7-Eleven. So we're gonna go to Sapo. We're gonna go inside. Look, this is their gym.
Ito yung open.
This is their pool. Oh, there's a bar also. But let's check their menu.
Ano yung mga binibulong doon na nare-review?
Kaya nga. Upload mo yan. Sumakita na. May gantong side pala si Gag.
Very OA. Very OA side.
We can solo this kiddie pool.
Over here. So, ayan guys. Bumabad lang kami kasi sobrang daming tao doon sa Belmont, guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa Savoy. And, yeah, we're just dipping here because it's very mainit pala, no?
Very dirty.
Kasi feel kasi namin parang sobrang daming tao doon sa Belmont. So, ayan, andito kami ngayon. So, ito yung Savoy, guys. I feel like it's bigger than the Belmont one. What do you think? No? This one, no? Kasi ang daming rooms, eh. So, I felt like it's bigger. Or maybe nasa center lang to.
Sabi ko hindi pa tayo tapos. I will be taste testing Mountain Dew Hard. So dito naman tayo. It's 5% alcohol, 100 calories. Sniff test. Medyo hindi siya may matamis tulad ng to Mountain Dew. Iba yung lasa. It's like you've opened a Mountain Dew and then left it for like a week inside the ref. And you didn't even close it properly. Ganon yung lasa. Okay, so let's try the the Beach Blast. Yeah. It's also 5%. Parang walang diferensya sa ito. Parehas lang yung pagka-nisip mo. It's the same with this one, pero ito may aftertaste na mas may lime siya ng konti. So yun lang, verdict, don't fucking buy this.